Friends, warm welcome to our YouTube channel Express Naukri. Steel Strips Wheels Limited Mehsana Gujarat is one of the leading player in design, manufacturing and marketing of steel wheel rims and alloy wheels for passenger cars, utility vehicles, 4 wheels, 2 and 3 wheelers, tractors, light or heavy commercial vehicles and OTRS. Almost all OEM are the customers. Steel Strips Wheels Limited is looking for experienced professionals for new alloy wheel plant which is located at Mehsana, Gujarat. It is in North Gujarat, 75 km from Ahmedabad and just 25 to 30 km away from Maruti Suzuki's Gujarat plant. Here SSWL producing alloy wheels for passenger vehicles and plant's production capacity is 3 million alloy wheels in a month. For more details please visit SSWL website. So let's discuss it with more details of recruitment. 1. Position: QA/QC professionals. Total openings: 15 numbers. Job location: Mehsana, Gujarat. Alloy wheels plant. Education: BE or BTech or Diploma in mechanical or metallurgy or automobile engineering. Experience: 4 to 9 years. Job profile: will be responsible for raw material quality, process quality, final quality, environment lab, CMM lab, new product development, system management, audit, customer handling. Process quality required experience in foundry, melting, LPDC, heat treatment, X-ray, CNC, CMM, environment lab, paint quality, durability lab, final quality, NPD. Should have exposure for handling and organizing the process, system audits, NC management, closing of NC. Customer audits, external audit. Friend request you to subscribe the channel Express Naukri. 2. Position: HR professionals. Total openings: 1 number. Job location: Mehsana, Gujarat. Alloy wheels plant. Education: MBA in HR or MHRM. Experience: 2 to 5 years. Job profile: recruitment of white-collar employees, campus recruitment, bulk hiring, hiring of trainees, joining formalities, coordination of induction training and other training, PMS activity, employee engagement and development activities, employee retention activities, management of mediclaim cases of employees, data compilation, data analysis and report generation on it. 3. Position: CNC professionals. Total openings: 10 numbers. Job location: Mehsana, Gujarat. Alloy wheels plant. Education: Diploma in mechanical or automobile or certificate course in machinist or machining. Experience: 3 to 7 years. Job profile: CNC or VMC machine operation, setup change, tool life monitoring, CNC programming, shift management, manpower management, raw material like coolant, tool life monitoring, troubleshooting and action plan, ensure the adherence of production plan, shift production planning, changeover and set up the machines as per PPC plan. To ensure the achievement of OEE target in the shift and participate in analysis and action plan. To ensure the utilization and availability of tools and consumable day storage. Setup change planning and setup approvals. Production and rejection gap analysis and action plan, red bin analysis. Ensuring good 5S in department level, coordinate with supporting departments. Responsible for shift data entry in the SAP production, rejection, breakdown, stores issues. 4. Position: QMS professionals. Total openings: 2 numbers. Job location: Mehsana, Gujarat. Alloy wheels plant. Education: BE or BTech or Diploma in mechanical or automobile engineering. Experience: 8 to 14 years. Job profile: knowledge and experience required for IATF implementation and its requirements. Must have exposure in implementation and certification of QMS or IATF or TPM or EMS or AMS systems. Knowledge and experience required in quality management system implementation and its requirements. Knowledge of core tools APQP, PPAP, SPC, MSA, PFMEA. Good knowledge on customer specific requirements, mainly like Volkswagen, Hyundai, Renault, Nissan. Must have exposure for handling and organizing the process, system audits, NC management, closing of NC. Customer system audits. Liaison with certification agency or body for audits. Liaison with customer for fulfillment of system-related requirements. Coordination for MRMS, knowledge of 7 QC tools, 5S, 3M, quality circle, etc. 5. Position: Safety Officer. Total openings: 1 number. Job location: Mehsana, Gujarat. Alloy wheels plant. Education: BE or BTech or Diploma in any branch. Plus post-diploma in industrial safety from State Technical Education Board. Experience: 3 to 8 years in safety department in manufacturing plant. Job profile: develop and execute health and safety plans in the workplace according to legal guidelines. Support to EHS management system to implementation safety culture at plant. Conduct regular and random site inspections to identified UAUC and records. Conduct accident investigations and prepare the reports. Arrange internal training for company staff and workers and keep record. Ensure that all work permits are filled and daily signed by competent person. Ensure that required documents are attached to work permits. Conducting safety trainings to employee as well as contract employee. To propagate safety through posters, signboards, literature, lectures or seminars, films, exhibitions. Conducting internal audits and ensures corrective and preventive action for non-compliance. Proactive and periodical monitoring of lifting tools and tackles, EOT cranes, welding machine and gas cutting sets, ELCB, RCCB, emergency lights and sirens, portable hand and power, etc. Records: maintaining near-miss first aid cases database, preparation and sharing of lesson learned. Maintaining fire protection system. Coordination for servicing, maintenance and refilling of portable fire extinguishers. Coordination for functional checks of fire hydrant system. Coordination for functional checks of CO2 flooding system. 6. Position: Finance professionals. Total openings: 1 number. Job location: Mehsana, Gujarat. Alloy wheels plant. Education: MCom or MBA in Finance or CA or ICWA or CS. Experience: 5 to 10 years in Finance and Account Department. Job profile: Material and service bills booking in SAP. All accounts payable, vendor account reconciliation, balance confirmation. Sending cover notes from Mehsana plant duly approved within 2 working days. Payment recommendation to HO through MIS of cover notes. Timely payment of utility bills before due dates. Timely preparation of report of debit balance of vendors and employees for management information. Maintaining cash and bank balance, cash payment, cash receipt, bank reconciliation, DD preparation. Handling employee-related expense of TA bill clearance and mobile bill as per policy. Inventory count on every end of the month as per management direction. Sending report to HO for MIGO versus MIRO pending report on weekly basis, internal checks and control for the expenses. Filling of statutory returns under GST Act, GSTR1, GSTR2, GSTR3B and others as specified under the statute. Statutory audit under the old statute like audit of accounts under VAT, excise, service tax, CST for past periods. Monitor MIRO of the approved MIGO of stores within 2 working days. TDS data prepare every month end and TDS return data every quarter end. Preparation of month-end closing MIS, variance report, inventory report, profitability report, etc. Friend request you to subscribe the channel Express Now free. If you are looking for change and ready to relocate Mehsana Gujarat, then mail your latest resume to given email address prajula@sswlindia.com and hrm.mehsana@sswlindia.com. Don't forget to mention post name in the subject line. Compensation will not be a constraint for right candidates. Thank you and all the best from Team Express Now free.